There's been a lot of rumors about Marcus Rashford lately. Some saying that he's going to Napoli, some say that he's staying with Manchester United, some saying that stating that he's no longer leaving, some stating that he's even going to Barcelona, some saying Borussia Dortmund. Like there's a lot going through Marcus Rashford's head right now and team and the transfer window. So let's get into this one. Apparently the Marcus Rashford's management were spotted in Barcelona yesterday, meaning that they would like to make a move for Marcus Rashford to go to Barcelona. But here's my take about this. I love Marcus Rashford, and I feel like maybe this is the last video I want to do about him, just for my peace sake and just for my serenity, just because I don't want to see him leave. Like, I don't want to love Marcus Rashford to death. Like, no Diddy, you know. I love Rashford, bro. It's one of my favorite players. I have a t-shirt, Rashford, you know. I love Marcus Rashford. But that's why I'm saying this could be literally my last video until probably maybe I do one, maybe when they have decided that he's leaving. But right now there's rumors that his management, his team was spotted in Barcelona, which I feel like I don't feel like, okay, firstly for Barcelona, I feel like it's going to be a little unless he takes like a salary cut. Unless Marcus Rashford decides to take a salary cut, and going to Barcelona and taking a salary cut is literally just a loss for the player itself. Also, I know he wants to play and he could literally just be better at Barcelona, but I don't think Barcelona is for Marcus Rashford, you know. And okay, I was still talking about the financial side of it. Barcelona is like us, they're struggling. Okay, we are even better because we can buy players. It's just that we don't have the funds. But Barcelona have too many strict rules and they don't even have the funds, you know. And they are under some, you know, still going through stuff, you know, financially, you know, even financially. I don't think they could be able to pay Marcus Rashford's salaries unless he takes a salary cut. So it's obviously a loss for him, salary-wise. If he wants to play football, he can play football again. Unless he still wants to play football, you know. If he wants to play football, cool, he can play in Barcelona, you know. They need a striker. We all know Barcelona needs a striker, but he can play. But I feel like with Barcelona, as soon as probably you are not literally performing in space of time, they literally just criticize you and end up, I don't feel like mentally, he's ready to go to Barcelona for me. And physically, meaning that fitness-wise, I don't feel like fitness-wise is good, you know, to play in Barcelona, bro. Marcus Rashford, one thing we keep on denying about Rashford and most people don't want to talk about is the physique, bro, and the mentality Rashford has. Like, if something doesn't work for Rashford, he just gives up. You can see it by the body language. It's not like, I don't know when it changed, because back then you could see that this young lad wants to be part of the team. He plays for the team, you know, he plays for the badge, which is something that Marcus Rashford has lost. And it happened, I think, as soon as he renewed his contract, you know, he started feeling entitled, you know. And when you go to a team like Barcelona, there's a lot of star players younger than you, you know. And as soon as you're probably not going to be performing, he's going to start slacking, start blazing around, which is something that he should not do, you know. It is going to be good for him to move to Barcelona. Game time, yeah, he would get some game time, but I feel like Marcus needs a team that's literally going to bring back his fitness, bring back also his mind, bro. I feel like mentally he's no longer there, bro. Like, Marcus Rashford is no longer there football wise, you know. He's trying to be a rapper, he's trying to be a, you know, nah, Rashford, you know. Try to focus on the football. Bring back that game you had. You know, we know you're a good player. Him wanting to go back to winning the national team coach call up. Okay, to go to Barcelona, yeah, cool. Unless if he goes to Barcelona, what I could advise, if he goes to Barcelona, he must wake up, train, wake up, train, wake up, train, wake up, train. We know you're a good player. That will come back. Don't go there and just want to be, oh, with your Yamas, we the best team. That side, bro, like, it's very, okay, I know La Liga is not that tactical than English Premier League. I feel like English Premier League, everything is, you know, very tactical. I feel like La Liga is more, you know, how should I put it? It's more physical than the English Premier League, you know. So with a player like Rashford, you know, I feel like they're gonna swallow him there, you know. So I would advise Rashford to literally just go to your Napoli's, to your Borussia Dortmund, you know, those kind of teams, man. Going to Barcelona, he would stay. And he would be good for Barcelona. They also need a striker. If he could just change his mentality, if he could just change his physique, you know. But if he's going with the same Marcus Rashford attitude, I don't think he'll make it by Barcelona. Unless he goes to your Napoli, your Borussia Dortmund, where they could literally physically, you know, take him, you know, bring him back, you know, because there's not that much limelight hype around the teams, you know. Okay, they're big teams, but you know, they could help him to get a call up back from the international team. But if he's gonna go to Barcelona with the mentality he has, I don't think he'll make it, bro. But anyway, man, I don't like Marcus Rashford leaving anyway, but I feel like his mind is set up to leave, which I feel like is him just, you know, taking the easy way out. But anyway, it's okay, man. Please let me know how do you feel about Rashford's situation in the comment section. Don't forget to press the like button and click the notification, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can know every single time I post a video. From me, Mr. Sparkles, I'm out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.